In this video, we're going to discuss how to geocode your customers for use by our mapping system. We'll also explain what happens if a customer address changes and how to fix that. When you first log into the mapping system, this is what you will see. You're going to see your company information, and over here is a list of routed customers with address errors. What this list is showing you is a list of customers that are on the route schedule that need to be geocoded. The geocode means we take the customer's address and we'll convert it into latitude and longitude for mapping purposes. If ever you log in and you see customers on this list, you just simply need to geocode it by pushing a button here that says geocode customers. Once you do that, you'll see that you'll get a little message that's been completed. You can close this, refresh the page, and that customer name should disappear because it's now geocoded. But let's pretend, and then from there you can go map. Let's pretend though that a customer of yours had their address information changed. They moved. You want to update their address information. To do that, you're going to want to go into QuickBooks. Okay? Locate the customer. I'm going to use this customer as an example. And we'll change the address. Make a small change. Maybe it's something along those lines. And then we'll click OK. Make the change as deep as you need to. The entire address can change. This is just for example purposes. Once you make the change to the customer's record, you're going to want to come to the service program and go to your customer list. Now, we've made the change for Angel City Store. So when I double click on their name, all I now have to do is push this button that says refresh from QuickBooks. You'll see that the address will change in a moment. You give it a second. And now you'll notice a 4 is now gone from the address. It's a new address. So now from here, all I now have to do is push the update mobile button, and this will take the change from the desktop to the mapping system and to your mobile devices. Once this sync is completed, you're going to notice that once we go back to the mapping system, if I refresh, the customer should reappear back on this list because it's a new address now, which then I can go ahead and re-geocode, and the customer gets geocoded again with the new address you just entered in. And that's how you can geocode your customers. Now, it's an important note that when you enter in your customer's address, it looks like an envelope. Line 1 must be the customer name or some other value, but line 2 is where the service is being done. This is where our system looks to for address information that can then be converted into a latitude and longitude. That's all I got for you today. Any questions, let us know. Training@westdrumsoftware.com. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.